1 linen shirt, 5 elevated looks. Hello and welcome, I'm Hayley, founder of 11 Loves, and I share styling advice to help women feel more confident getting dressed, enjoy putting outfits together, and find a bit of fun in dressing well. Today, 1 shirt, 5 completely different outfits: work, weekend, holiday, beach and dinner. And I want to say at the top what this video is really about, because it's not really about a shirt. Here is the thing I wish somebody had told me 20 years ago. A piece of clothing does not have one job, it has as many jobs as you can find for it. And the piece never changes. What changes is the company it keeps. The shirt you're about to see is the same shirt 5 times. I don't swap it, I don't iron it differently. All that changes is what's standing next to it and what I do with the buttons, the sleeves and the hem. And once you can see that, you can do anything with it. Any shirt, any blazer, any knit. This just happens to be the easiest piece to learn it on. Because a linen shirt is the most versatile thing that most of us own, and nobody gets more than 1/5 of the value out of theirs. So let's get into it. Look 1, and I'm starting with the one you already do because I want to make it better before we go anywhere interesting. Buttoned up, worn as a shirt with a wide leg trouser. Now that is correct, it's also lifeless, and here is exactly why. Undo 1 more button that feels natural, just 1. That turns the closed horizontal at your neck into an open V, and a V draws a long vertical line down the chest instead of a short line across it. Your neck looks longer instantly. Then roll the sleeves and show your wrists. Your wrist is one of the narrowest parts of you, and putting a break there balances the shape of your arm. And front tuck it so the hemline moves up, off the middle and onto your waist. So your waist reappears, adding shape to your body. The same shirt, the same trousers and 3 moves. Takes 20 seconds and there's no shopping, so it's gone from correct to actually good. If that's useful, do subscribe. There's a new styling video every week and it's all built like this. Look 2, and now the shirt stops being a shirt. Wear it open over a vest with shorts, and the moment you wear a shirt open, it's not a shirt anymore, it's a jacket. And it's doing exactly what a jacket does, which is drawing 2 long vertical lines down the front of your body. 2 things to get right. Let it hang, don't tie it, don't tuck it. The whole value of this look is those 2 long vertical lines. And mind the length. An open shirt that's too long turns into a dressing gown, and an open shirt that's too short looks like it shrank. If yours is on the long side, roll the sleeves higher to move the visual weight up. And the reason this is the most useful outfit in a British summer is that it's 30 degrees at 2 o'clock and you take it off and have a vest. It's 15 degrees at 7 o'clock and you put it back on and you're covered. 1 outfit, 2 climates, which is exactly what this country demands. Look 3, and this is the one that surprises people and it's my favourite. Take a fitted rib dress. On its own it's lovely, but we want versatility from all of our wardrobe. Now put the shirt over the top, open it and leave it. Look at what happened. It's a completely different outfit. I've not covered anything up. I've added 2 vertical lines and given the eye somewhere else to travel. That's the whole difference between covering up and styling. Covering up is fabric hiding a body. This is a line changing where you look. And here's the transferable bit. When an outfit feels like too much of one thing, add a layer that runs the other way. Too much volume, add structure. Too much colour, add a neutral. This shirt is just the easiest possible tool for the job. You can school run in this, you can lunch in it, the same dress you would have left on the hanger, but a different look. Look 4, and this is the one that earns the shirt its place in the suitcase. Wear it straight over a bikini. Buttoned once or twice in the middle, the sleeves rolled, and that's the entire outfit. Walk down to the beach, sit there all afternoon, have lunch in it, walk back. A good viscose linen dries fast and doesn't cling when you're damp, and it does not go transparent when it gets wet. A cheap one does all 3, and you will discover which yours is at the precise moment it matters most. So invest in a really good one. You can check before you ever get near a beach. Hold it up to the window. A good weave is close and even, and if you can see straight through it and pick out every thread, then it's not a fabric that's going to behave itself when it's damp. And notice this is the same shirt that went to work on Monday, and that's the entire argument of the video in 1 garment. Pick 5 for the evening. Wear it with a summer skirt, and you've got 2 ways to do this, and they're 2 different moods. You can wear it knotted at the waist, and that gives you a defined waist and a bit of ease, and it lets the skirt take all the attention. It's the more relaxed of the 2. Or tuck it in with the sleeves pushed right up. This is sharper, more grown up, and a cleaner line. Neither is better, but notice this is the only look in the video where I've put a horizontal back across the waist. And I've done this because the skirt's doing the work and I want the eye to stop at the waist and then travel down. You're not following a rule, you're deciding where you want people to look. Add a metallic sandal, some silver jewellery, and you're out for dinner. Let's go back to where we started, because the shirt was never the point. 5 outfits and the shirt didn't change once. What changed was the company it kept. And 3 tiny things: the buttons, the sleeves, and the hem. Buttoned or open, sleeves down or rolled, tucked, knotted, or left out. And that's it. That's the whole toolkit, and it works on every shirt you own. And once you've got it, it works on a blazer and on a cardigan and on a knit. A piece that does one thing beautifully is a nice thing to own. A piece that does 5 things well is a completely different proposition, because you divide what you paid by every time you wear it, and this shirt goes to the office, the park, the beach, and out for dinner. That's what we mean by buy less, wear more. So a very quick recap: buttoned, rolled, and front tucked for work, open over a vest with shorts and let it hang, thrown over a fitted dress when you want the day to be easier, over a bikini on holiday, which is why the fabric matters, and knotted with a skirt for dinner. The shirt never changed, only the company and 3 small adjustments. So go and get yours out and try all 5 this week, and then try exactly the same thinking on something else in your wardrobe, because that is where it gets interesting. I hope that was genuinely useful. If you would like more, do subscribe. There's a new styling video every week and I would love to have you here. And tell me in the comments which of the 5 outfits you'd actually wear and which piece you'd like me to do this with next. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy getting dressed.